Travel, my last frontier, down the road. These are the experiences and adventures of Dave with Some Day Is Today. My continuing mission? To explore new places, seek out special locations, communities, and people. To go where maybe some have gone before, but even more want to. Join up and become part of the adventure. See you down the road. Hey, it's Dave with Some Days Today, and I want to talk to you about boondocking. It really is the third element or third phase of RV travel, and one that I think offers a lot more than the other modes of RV travel, which are, standardized campgrounds or RV parks. You really get to pick the place you want to stay. There's not a lot of people, hopefully, in many cases, and it can be done, and it's actually in many ways easier than the other two ways to camp. What you need to do, though, and I want to emphasize these few points relative to boondocking, is you need to have solar power and or a generator or both so that you can keep your house batteries charged up. That's really how the energy program works, and that takes me to item number 2, is you need to understand how your systems in your RV work and how they interconnect and how important all of that is relative to boondocking, because you really on your own, you're not on full hookups, you're not on electric power. You've got to have other ways to operate your RV and to exist. And then practice, item that a lot of people forget, and it seems boring, but it's really important to try it before you get out there and have a failure, is to practice. Practice in your driveway, go to a friend's house, whatever. And then once you've practiced a few times and you understand how interconnected the systems are in your RV, then do a short trip for a night, maybe 2, but still relatively close to home in case something goes wrong. You can get back. It's worth the investment to do some of this practicing and short trip routines. And then remember the rules of 3 that are covered in one of my other tips and tricks videos. So we'll see you down the road.